Good afternoon, everyone. This is my final output in this subject. Raises awareness about elections by explaining why voting is important, how the election process works, and what it means to be a responsible citizen. Use simple words, relatable examples, and creative visuals to inspire to participate in the electoral process and more informed decisions. Voting is your voice in a democracy. It's how you choose the leaders who will make decisions affecting your life, your community, and your country. Understanding the election process. The election process varies depending on the country and level of government. Candidate nomination. Potential leaders announce their candidacy and campaign to win support from their political primaries and caucuses where party members vote to select their preferred candidate. Campaigning. Candidates actively promote their platforms and try to persuade voters to support them. This involves rallies, debates, and advertising. Voting. On election day, eligible citizens cast their votes for their chosen candidates. This can be done in person, at polling stations, by mail. Counting votes and results. Votes are counted and the candidates with the most votes and majority in some systems wins. What makes a responsible citizen? A responsible citizen is informed, engaged, and active in their community. Staying informed. Following current events, researching candidates and their platforms, and understanding the issues at stakes. Voting. Exercising your right to vote in all elections. Participating. Joining community groups, volunteering, and speaking out on issues you care about. Respecting others. Engaging in respectful dialogue even with those who hold different views. Your impact. Your single vote might seem insignificant, but collectively, votes shape the future. In close election, even a single vote can make a difference. Your participation inspire others and strengthen democracy. Get involved. Learn about the candidates, the issues, and the voting process. Make your voice heard. It matters.